Hi, welcome to Chef's Corner. This is Chef Paul from Rhapsody from Kodaibai Marriage, Chennai. Today at Chef's Corner, we are going to see the Mexican cuisine. The dish what we are going to see is the Mexican tacos. The ingredients for Mexican tacos are maize flour 100 grams, flour 150 grams, red kidney beans 50 grams, bell pepper 50 grams, zucchini yellow and green 50 grams, red onion 50 grams, baby corn 50 grams, tomato sauce 50 ml, cheddar cheese 10 grams, olive oil 5 ml, paprika powder 5 grams, salt, pepper to taste. To make the tacos dough, we have to make first refined flour, then maize flour, add little water, sprinkle little paprika powder on top, to taste salt and pepper, and then we have to knead the dough very smoothly. Little olive oil on a pan, and then we'll start with the onions first, and then I follow it by all the other vegetables. Onions to a little sweat, and then I put all the vegetables and cook it along with it. Let me not overdone it, I'll keep all my vegetables a little crunchy so that it tastes better. Little salt, and I'm substituting Mexican chili with the jalapenos, what I have. Just chop the little jalapenos into it. Since I'm putting jalapenos, I'm not using my peppers. Tomato sauce for this, just to give a binding. We'll just roast the tomato at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes, and then we'll just blend it. We'll add little of this tomato sauce just to give a mouthfeel and the blending. Now the mixture is done, and then there is another ingredient which is red kidney bean paste. This paste will go at the top, so it gives a mouthfeel and it acts as a binding agent so that the sauce will not penetrate into the dough. Once you apply it, it becomes like this. This helps you as a binding agent, and also it doesn't allow the water to get inside. And we have some grated cheese on the recipe. I'm going to use a cheddar cheese. I'll grate this at the base first initially, and then I'll put the mixture, and then again I'll do grate once again. And then the cooked mixture, we'll put it in that. All the peppers, baby corns, onions, zucchinis, and the chilies with the tomato base. And then I'll grate a little more cheese on the top. I'll just fold this like this, like a book fold, so that my cheese gets binded. I'm going to sear it on top of my pan. Put very little of olive oil on it, and then I'm going to just sear it, so that I'll get more crispiness at the base at the time I'm reheating my food. Now it's cooked completely. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this and serve. Yummy Mexican tacos is ready to serve. You can try this at home and please write us a feedback.